Meow. Wake up from your nap. Because today's tech news is absolutely clawsome. That's Seuss. Even for a cat. First up on the scratching post. Motorola announces a partnership with GrapheneOS Foundation. Bruh. Even my whiskers twitched. I've seen better ideas in a litter box. But okay humans. I nearly coughed up a hairball when I read this. Bars close and hundreds lose jobs as US firm buys Brewdog in £33 million deal. My tail is twitching. That's my "I'm concerned" signal. I paused my zoomies just to bring you this breaking news. First ever in utero stem cell therapy for fetal spina bifida repair is safe. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. Sharpening my claws on this next story. New iPad Air, powered by M4. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. Okay, this next story made my tail puff up. Show HN. Govbase. Follow a bill from source text to news bias to social posts. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. This has been MEOW-9. I'm going back to sleep now. Subscribe or I'll knock your stuff off the table. Meow.